Welcome. Worksheet 20. Nutrition and health. Choose the correct answer. 1. The element that is absent in carbohydrate is A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is option D. Nitrogen. 2. The immediate source of energy given to the patients in hospital is A. Glucose, B. Sucrose, C. Cellulose, D. Lactose. The correct answer is option A. Glucose. 3. When we consume sugarcane juice, we consume more amount of dash. A. Glucose, B. Starch, C. Sucrose, D. Lactose. The correct answer is option C. Sucrose. 4. If you find a child of 4 years with abnormal swollen stomach, that shows the child suffers from dash. A. Marasmus, B. Anemia, C. Kwashiorkor, D. Goiter. The correct answer is option C. Kwashiorkor. 5. Cellulose is a polysaccharide as it has more number of dash molecules. A. Carbon, B. Sugar, C. Oxygen, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is option A. Carbon. 6. Among the following, which one is non-essential amino acid? A. Valine, B. Lysine, C. Leucine, D. Glycine. The correct answer is option D. Glycine. 7. The main constituent of teeth and bones is dash. A. Iodine, B. Iron, C. Calcium, D. Sodium. The correct answer is option C. Calcium. 8. On exposure to sunlight, our skin synthesizes dash. A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin B12. The correct answer is option B. Vitamin D. 9. Amino acids are the building blocks of dash. A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Carbohydrate, D. Vitamin. The answer is option A. Protein. 10. Normally, human blood clots between 2 to 8 minutes. If a person has bleeding for a long time, then the reason may be due to the deficiency of dash. A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin K. And the correct answer is option D. Vitamin K. Fill in the blanks. 11. The basic necessity of life is food. 12. Micronutrients required by the human body are also called as dash elements. Trace. 13. Omega-3 fatty acid is a dash fatty acid as it cannot be synthesized in human body. Essential. 14. The salt that is very essential for neurotransmission is dash. Potassium. 15. Orange colored fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamin dash. Vitamin C. State whether true or false. 16. Cellulose is a polysaccharide. True. 17. The daily requirement of fats is 50 grams. False. 44 to 77. 18. Kwashiorkor affects the children between 1 to 5 years of age. True. 19. Sodium present in the dairy products maintains the fluid balance of the body. True. 20. Fats are involved in metabolic functions and also maintain the structure of cells. True. Match the following. 1. Riboflavin. A. Riboflavinosis. 2. Niacin. Pellagra. 3. Pyridoxine. Dermatitis. 4. Cyanocobalamin. Pernicious anemia. 5. Tocopherol. Sterility. Answer briefly. Classify the nutrients based on their functions. Refer page 247. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Glucose is easily absorbed into the bloodstream than sucrose. What is the reason for that? Glucose is a simple sugar or monosaccharide. Sucrose is a disaccharide. So, glucose is easily absorbed than sucrose. 24. Differentiate essential from non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids can be made by the body, while essential amino acids cannot be made by the body. So, you must get them from your diet. 25. On what basis macro and micronutrients are classified? Macro minerals are those minerals that the body needs in large amounts. Micro minerals are those minerals that the body needs in smaller amounts. For all these questions, better refer page number 248. What are the essential fatty acids? Why we call it? The essential fatty acids are alpha linolenic acid ALA. It's an omega-3 fatty acid, and linoleic acid LA. It's an omega-6 fatty acid. Essential fatty acids cannot be synthesized in the body and are provided through diet. ALA and LA together known as omega fatty acids. Answer the following. 27. Explain the role of major foodstuffs. Carbohydrates provide energy for the body. Protein helps us to grow, develop and repair muscles. Fat maintain cell structure, involves in metabolic functions. Vitamins and minerals needed for normal physiological and biological functions. 28. Construct a food pyramid based on their nutritional values. For this, the base should be carbohydrates, next to that proteins, next to that fats, then at the last, at the higher level, minerals and vitamins. This symbolizes what means carbohydrates are needed in large quantity and minerals and vitamins are needed in very less quantity, but all these nutrients are must for our normal biological functions. 29. Tabulate the types, sources, deficiency, disorders and symptoms of water-soluble vitamins. For this, you refer book page number 249. 30. Substantiate. Minerals are essential nutrients for organisms to perform various biological functions. For this, you refer page 248. Minerals perform hundreds of roles in the body. They help shore up bones, heal wounds, and bolster our immune system. They also convert food into energy and repair cellular damage. Higher order thinking skills. 31. Suppose you have consumed idli, vadai and sambar for breakfast. Then what are the essential nutrients would you have consumed? Actually, in idli we have carbohydrate and protein. Vadai also have protein. Also it contains fat. Sambar contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So it's a complete and balanced diet. 32. What is your favorite food? Write the nutrients present in it and justify whether it is good for health. Just like 31, you write any breakfast name and what are the nutrients it have. You just think about it and write by your own. 33. In all government schools, iron, folic acid, IFA tablets are given to the students. Why do doctors recommend the school children to consume IFA tablets? Normally, it is a must for most of the government school children because most of them are suffering from malnutrition, especially to reduce nutrient deficiency. And that also especially for anemia. 34. List out the seasonal and locally available vegetables and fruits that you have consumed and write down the nutrients present in them. For this, you write any fruits which are available in your place. Just one example, for summer season, we are getting mangoes. These mangoes are normally rich in vitamin C, vitamin A. Likewise, it has minerals like potassium and magnesium, dietary fiber, sugar, carbohydrate. All this each mango fruits contains. Like this, you think and write any fruit. 35. Prepare a menu card for a day in such a way if anyone who follows the menu gets a balanced diet essential for the body. Morning, you can write sprouted pulses, rice flakes, milk. So we may get proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, everything. Then for afternoon, rice, sambar with the greens and ghee, curd. Non-vegetarian can take fish. Then for night, idli, coconut chutney, tomato chutney plus 1 tumbler milk. Normally, when we take each food must contain carbohydrates in large quantity, next proteins, then fats, then minerals and vitamins. That is a balanced diet. We should concentrate in that whether our food have all these nutrients in our diet. Thank you.